As an avid learner, I need a way to summarize big ideas and understand them, like history, religion, debate, logic. And if you're like me, the material can get pretty dense quick. Now, I could rewatch the content, but that would take up way too much time, and I'm about being efficient. Well, the Ailith RecNote does that for me. With a sleek design, MagSafe O-ring that stays secure on my phone, dual mics for noise-resistant HD audio, an 800 milliamp battery that's going to give me 100 hours of continuous recording, and phone call recording support. Plus, privacy is paramount because your recordings are encrypted and only sync to the dashboard of your app. So, how does this work in real life for me? Well, this is a must-have when it comes to lectures, like summarizing points from a church sermon, Zoom meetings, or YouTube videos. Just press record on the recorder, and its dual mics intelligently gets clear recordings, and most importantly for me, clear transcripts for summarization. So even if the kids are loud in the background, I know the recorder is getting what I need it to get. If you want, you can turn off the noise cancellation or adjust its level. Plus, I can take that same power and use it for phone calls. Just switch the modes and press record. Now, the RecNote is powered by ChatGPT 5, Gemini 2.5, and DeepSeek R1. So that means 98.86% transcription accuracy, plus 132 plus languages supported for translation and a variety of different summarization selections. And as someone who wants to prove their speaking skills, the mind map is valuable to see the flow of thought. As a bonus, it features one-tap keyword search. Just browse through the transcript and press on the sentence and will play directly from that spot. So what does that mean for you? Well, no more hours of rewriting notes or reviewing long recordings. I told you, efficient. So how do I really feel about the RecNote? It's simple, powerful, and straightforward. I've had this for over a week and I haven't charged it yet. It does include a basic membership, which is free for life, so you get 400 minutes of transcription per month, which renews every month. But if you want, you can go unlimited, which does require a subscription. So who's this for? I always say anyone who wants to save time and make their learning or reviewing as simple as possible and focus on the things that are important. So basically, everyone. Okay, hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.